Alright, so I'm going to try this MERMAID by As I Am. Interesting. This is something I don't usually do. I did do the As I Am with the gold color to get the blonde beautiful look, but now I'm going to try it with this green mermaid color they call it. So let's see how it turns out. Hey sis, if you love the results of my hair of this mermaid color, it looks like glitter, shimmer, that does not damage your hair, you need to watch this video. Taking down my protected hairstyle, hair feels so soft and healthy and shiny. Tell me you guys what you think about my new Gucci swimsuit. Leave the comments down below if you like it, because I might do a fashion haul about it. So I'm wetting my hair, just damping the ends, detangling it, finger detangling it, and I'm going to apply the As I Am Coconut Cold Wash. All right, rinsed it out. Then I applied my favorite Kinky curly knots today, you guys. It's so steamy in here right now, but I have to apply this, especially midway all the way to my ends. It's a detangler conditioner. It's one of the best. It's just a little thin. It's not too thick, but it just really helps me detangle my ends. So I'm going to leave that in there because it is a leave-in, and then I'm going to apply the As I Am Mermaid color, you know, the temporary color hair dye, and see how that looks. So I'm going to get out the shower, just finish brushing this in. This brush is from Shein, you guys. It's only $3. All right, so now I'm out the shower, you guys. You're gonna need a towel because it's gonna get a little messy, because when I did it with the gold one, it went all over the place. So make sure you have a shirt on that you really don't care about. I'm just gonna put it around me and make this a quick video, you guys. And this video is not sponsored. I just really want to know what the green is gonna look like. I was thinking about rocking it for Christmas, you know, for the holidays. So let's see what this mermaid's gonna do, y'all. My hair is semi-damped. It is clean, but I did it with the cold wash and I left the Kinky curly conditioner in there. So I'm just not gonna do it in sections. I'm just going to start the front and then work my way to the back and place it on there halfway. So we'll see. This product is coral free. I forgot to tell you guys that. It's only temporary. It's a temporary color. Should just rinse right out. And I like it because it's really for somebody that has dry hair, curly hair, and again, it's free from silicones, no paraben, no GMO. Like, it's supposed to be still healthy if you still want the side effects of great color. It does say put it in sections and your hair is supposed to be damp, and I followed pretty much the instructions, so we'll see what happens. What happened? I'm gonna place gel 2 at the same time with it. Let's see what this is gonna turn around. And so the gel that I decided to use, you know, it's a little $3 or $4 brand, but you get so much for your money. And it says it's an excellent hold for 24 hours. So that's what I like, that extra crispy, extra hold. And it claims it has no alcohol, no residue. I know it has no flakes, and has aloe vera, it claims. So This is what I'm going to apply on, but not too heavy. I'm gonna apply more of the color first because I don't want the hair to get too wet. Because I remember when I did it last time, I couldn't really see the color because my hair was too damp. So just gonna apply a little bit of the gel because I still don't want to get too wet. Get those tips. So I'm gonna mix it with the gel. Hopefully it won't flake up too much. It smells really good. The cream, well, the hair color in a jar that doesn't damage your hair, has no alcohol in it, so that's all good. No bleach, you know what I mean? Just something fun. I hope it makes my curls bounce back, so we will see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna speed this video up, you guys. Alright, I'm all done, you guys. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. But my hair is growing. I don't know. We'll see how it's gonna look. Because right now, it just looks like a hot mess, but so you guys, please hit that subscribe button right there and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And leave all comments positive vibes. Leave that negatives at home. Okay? Thanks. All right.